Okay, we're going to look at some angle rules and properties now then. We've learnt about the different types of angles, our acute, our obtuse, our reflex, etc. And we're going to try and do some calculations now to work out missing angles. But we need to know the rules first onto here. So we're going to go onto here first of all, and I'm going to draw three parts. We're going to draw angle on a straight line. And this one here is an angle on a straight line. And we know that straight line, remember properties, is 180 degrees. So no matter how many times you split this up, you call that angle A, angle B, and angle C onto there. A, B, C, A plus B plus C will always add up to 180. And we can use that knowledge there. So if we got given two angles, we could work out the missing angle onto here. Okay, so now we're going to look at another. We're going to have angles at a point on here. So I'm going to draw a point on that, and I'm going to draw 2, 3, 4 onto there. So I've got one angle, it's 90 degrees, got that angle, and this angle. That's A, B, C, D. And it doesn't matter how many angles you've got, they'll still all add up to 360. Because all the way around, 280s make 360. So A plus B plus C plus D equals 360. And the final rule we're going to learn is angles at a right angle. So angles at a right angle. That's here. So angles at a right angle. So I'll draw myself a right angle. And if I split this into two, down here, that's angle A, and that's angle B. And if you remember back, angles at a right angle always add up to 90 degrees. So A plus B equals 90 degrees. Okay, let's do some calculations now then, shall we? So let's just draw a line down here. So a straight line. And we'll split it into three parts. And we'll call this angle A. We don't know what that is. This one is 80, and this one is 43 degrees. Now we have to try and work out what angle A is, and we know that they all add up to 180, so the easiest way to do this is to do 180, take away 80, take away 43, and that will equal A, because A plus 80 plus 43 will be equal to 180. So we just rearrange the equation. So if we type in 180 minus 80 minus 43, and that will give me 57 degrees. So A equals 57 degrees. You can do a final check just to make sure. You do 57 plus 80 plus 43, and it should add up to 180 onto there. So if you've got everything right, it's that double checking that's really important when you're doing your tests. Okay, let's have a look at an angle at a point now. Exactly the same thing. We're going to draw angle at a point. I'll just do it to. So this is angle A again. This is 110, and this angle is 117 degrees. Now, if you remember back, the angles on a point all add up to 360. So we know two angles here, and we've only got to work out this one. So we're going to do 360, take away 110, take away 117. So we're taking away the angles we know to try and find the angle we don't know. And on our calculator, we do 360, take away 110, take away 117, and that should equal 133. So A equals 133 degrees. Again, you double check 133 plus 110 plus 117. That should equal 360, which it does. So we know that's correct, this bit. Okay, final one I'm going to do is at a right angle. So squeeze it in down here. I'll just do a diddy one. So we've got angle A, we don't know. This angle is 28 degrees. Angles at a right angle add up to 90. So we have 90 minus 28. Our calculator, 90 minus 28 equals 62. A equals 62. Final check. 62 plus 28 should equal 90. It does. Well, correct. So no matter how many angles you're given on here, if you've just got one missing on here, you can work out the other angles. And you use these rules, these property rules, to be able to work all that out. Okay, off you go.